Alright guys, you can apply all of these effects either directly to your clips or onto an adjustment layer. I'm going with an adjustment layer for this tutorial, so let's get started. The first effect we're adding is tint, and we're going to leave it exactly as it is. Right after that, add invert. Again, no changes needed here. Next, search for arithmetic, drop it onto the adjustment layer, and this is where we start tweaking the settings. Change the operator to multiply, and then set both the green and blue values to 255. Next up, we're adding brightness and contrast. For the first one, set the brightness to -90 and the contrast to 100, then we're adding brightness and contrast one more time. On this second pass, set the brightness to 40 and the contrast to 60, which helps bring back some detail while still keeping the scene stylized. The next effect is noise. Set the noise amount to 20% and make sure to uncheck use color noise so we only get that monochromatic grain. And to finish off this part, we're adding tint again and leaving it exactly as it is. Now we're gonna add glow. Set the glow threshold to 20%, glow radius to 33, and glow intensity to 0.3 to get that soft dreamy haze effect. Next up is mosaic. Change both the horizontal and vertical blocks to 850. This gives the footage that subtle digital texture. Then we'll add tritone. Here's the important part. Change the highlights from white to black. Change the shadows from black to white. And pick whatever color you want for midtones, or simply match the one I'm using in the video. This gives the entire effect that inverted stylized night vision palette. And finally add Venetian blinds. Set. Transition completion to 10%. Direction to 90 degree, width to 8, feather to 1. This creates those thin scanning lines across the screen, which completes that classic night vision look. The second to last effect is add grain. Change the viewing mode to final output and select Kodak Vision 250D as the preset. Finally, add texturize and set texture contrast to 2. And that's it for today. The preset from today's video will be available for free download in the description. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.